Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change store email on Shopify. First, ensure you are logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all aspects of your online store, including its contact information. Having the correct email is crucial for receiving important notifications and customer communications. Make sure you have access to both your old and new email accounts for a smooth transition. From your Shopify admin, find the Settings option located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on this gear icon to open a menu of various store management categories. Next, select Store Details from the list of settings presented. This section contains fundamental information about your business, including its primary contact email address. This step brings you closer to updating your store's crucial contact information. Within the Store Details page, scroll down until you see the Store Contact Email field. You will typically find this under a section labeled Contact Information or Business Details. This field displays your current primary email address, which is used for all Shopify communications and customer inquiries. Identifying this specific field is key to making the necessary update for your store. It's right there, waiting for your new information. Carefully type your new preferred email address into the designated Store Contact Email field. Double-check the spelling of the new email address to prevent any potential errors or missed communications. After entering the new address, scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click the Save button. This action temporarily stores your change, but a final verification step is still required to complete the process securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.